In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Glock 41. This is Gen 4 Glock 41, and in case you don't know, this is Glock's long slide version of the 45 ACP. I was actually at a local gun store and they had this used. I don't even know if it had been shot. It don't look like it had been. But anyway, I brought this thing home, and one of the things I noticed about it is that when I went to put it into a holster that would fit either a Glock 20 or a Glock 21, it was a little bit loose. And I got noticing, and I think I remember reading somewhere that the slide on these is quite a bit thinner than Glock's regular 45 ACP, which is the Glock 21. And also, it even seems to me, it may just be in my mind, but it seems like the grip is even thinner. But anyway, it's got the adjustable rear sight, and I really like it. I've just shot it a few times so far, but it seems to be really accurate. I really like the long sight radius. It really helps with accuracy, especially at long range. But anyway, I'm going to shoot it just a few times and see how it does. Now I'm back at probably about 25 yards. I'm going to try to hit right in the middle of that red target. Okay, now I'm back at probably about 32, 33 yards, something like that. All right, let's step back a little bit farther. Okay, now I'm back at probably about 45 yards or so. A little bit low. Okay, now I'm back at probably around 50 yards. This thing is like super easy to shoot. I don't know if it's just that long sight radius or what, but I love this gun. Let me know what you think about the Glock 41. If you haven't tried one, I highly recommend it.